Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you my top 8 ways and business models that you can use to make money online. So before I start this video, just a reminder of the Bitcoin giveaway that I'm running. I'm running a major Bitcoin giveaway for when the channel hits 500 and 1,000 subscribers, and I will be giving away a decent sum of Bitcoin basically to the subscriber that really supports the channel and shows the most support by commenting on videos, liking videos and that sort of thing. So definitely, if you do enjoy my videos, please comment down below, or if there's anything that you need help with or that you would like to see, definitely comment down below and give the video a like. And also, I really want you to try stay tuned in for this video, because at the end of my tips, I'm going to give you a very strange, you could call it my secret way of the strategy and the model that I've been using to find a lot of success online, which I'm very keen to share with you guys. So definitely stay tuned in for the video and you'll get that at the end. Top 8 ways to earn online. Number 8 is virtual working. Virtual working is much like an 8 till 5 o'clock job where you earn a active income. You've got to be there to work. And how this works is you can basically work anywhere off your phone or your laptop, as it's all online. But now how this works is basically businesses and individuals will post tasks or projects that they want you to complete on websites such as Fiverr and those sort of platforms, and you will get paid for that. So the nice thing I like about virtual working, it's free to join, it's usually very simple work that you get paid for, and it's also a great way to get started in the online industry if you've got little experience, little or no experience. Which I like. That's why I wanted to list this one first. Top 8 ways to earn. Number 7 is Google AdSense. Google AdSense is basically a platform where you run adverts on your website, blog, YouTube channel, or whatever it may be. Google runs adverts on your website, and then when viewers or visitors on your website click on these adverts, you will then get paid for that. This is great because the nice thing about Google AdSense, it's usually free. It is free to join. There's no startup costs, but the one downfall is before you can start earning a bucket of money with Google AdSense, you need quite a lot of content and quite a lot of traffic coming onto your website or YouTube channel. Top 8 ways to earn. Number 6 is e-commerce. So now e-commerce is basically involved around selling products or services, more products online, such as eBay, Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, or if you've got your own custom online store. And then basically customers will pay for this product and you obviously keep your markup or your commissions. The one upside of e-commerce is that it's one of the most profitable ways to make money online. But the downfall is that it's also the one that requires the most amount of capital to start up, because to really make good profit and money on e-commerce, the idea is to get your products in at bulk. And obviously it requires a lot of startup capital to buy these thousands and thousands of products in bulk. And also you need a lot of volume to make money on e-commerce. A lot of volume in terms of traffic and that coming to your website. Top 8 ways to earn money online. Number 5 is a high skill business. Now a high skill business is actually one of my favorite online business models. And why I say this is because a high skill business is basically taking your abilities, taking your passions and turning that into a business. So how this works is, for example, let's say you're a teacher, okay, you're a very good teacher, whether it's at a school or university, and you want to offer online courses. So what you will do is you can create a YouTube channel or a website where you sell exclusive online courses to students and whoever wishes to purchase them. The nice thing about this is that you are fulfilling your passion and you're actually doing what you love. So that's what I really like about a high skill business. My top 8 ways to earn money online. Number 4 is YouTube. Now with YouTube, I wouldn't use YouTube as a standalone platform to create or start a business. What I really like about YouTube, it acts as the man in the middle. It really complements other forms of online businesses. So let's say, for example, you've got an e-commerce store, all right? And now you're selling a whole bunch of products on your e-commerce store, and you also make a promotion video or a about video on these products, and you list this video in the product description on your website. So this means all the viewers that are coming to your e-commerce store will see this video that you've made, which will attract viewers on YouTube. And vice versa. If you've got a YouTube channel and you make a video about a product on your online store, viewers might click on that link and then will go buy your product. So the nice thing, it really works hand in hand and complements the other ways of businesses. The downside of this is for those who want to start a YouTube channel standalone, you do need a lot of traffic and viewers coming onto your website before you can make a significant amount of money. So now we are into my top 3, and my top 8 ways to earn online. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically a method or a business model where you promote someone else's products and sell someone else's product online and get paid a commission for that. Affiliate marketing basically consists of 3 components, and that is your merchant, you as the affiliate, and your customer. So how this works is your customer places an order with you, which is actually the merchant's product. The merchant obviously fulfills that client's need with the product they've just purchased, and then you get a commission as the man in the middle for that. So the nice thing about affiliate marketing is you don't need to worry about the product you're selling, you don't need to worry about setting anything up, you just need to do the selling and you get your commission. It's as simple as that. And the nice thing I also really like about affiliate marketing, if you create your own affiliate marketing business, you are earning a leveraged income. So you are getting people to do the sales for you, meaning now you are earning money without anyone having to be there. And that's a very powerful concept, and I'm a really big fan of leverage income. And also another nice thing about affiliate marketing, it's usually free to join and it's one of the cheapest ways to make money online. But the downfall is you might need to do some cold calling or cold advertising to attract an audience. But if you'd like, comment down below if you'd like me to make a video on some awesome website funnels and advertising funnels to funnel traffic to your website that I've been using on my websites, and I can basically create a video on this for you that you can use these strategies too. Top 8 ways to earn online. Number 2, and this is one of my favorite ones as well. I'm currently in this industry and I can tell you it is very, very profitable. That is a software as a service business, aka SaaS. What a software business does is they basically create programs or custom websites for businesses in the marketplace, which will then solve problems and fulfill needs in the marketplace. The nice thing about software businesses is that these sort of businesses make millions and millions of dollars per year. But the one downside about a software business is that you really need to know what you're doing, because if an error occurs in one of your programs or software programs, it can cause a lot of financial loss for a business. So what you can do with a software business is basically hire out your programs to a business on a monthly subscription. So the nice thing about software, you are generating a residual income on a monthly basis, and the software is doing all the hard work for you that is created. And the nice thing also about software is that it can serve 1, it can serve 1,000, it can serve 1,000,000 clients at the same time. So your earning potential with software business is unlimited, which I really like. So now we're on to my number 1. My number 1 top 8 ways to earn money online is a dropshipping business. And what I really like about the dropshipping business is that it's very similar to an e-commerce store, but except you don't carry any physical products. And the nice thing about this is you also don't have to put a lot of effort into it in keeping it maintained. So how this works is there are 3 components in a dropshipping business. That is your supplier, there's you as the dropshipping business, and then there's your client. So how this works is your client places an order with you, and then that order gets transferred to the supplier. Then the supplier does the deliveries back to the client and does all the invoicing and basically all the hard work. And the nice thing is you in the middle just keep your markup, your commissions. So you've got no overheads to run a business. You can run it off your mobile device, your laptop. You can run it internationally, which is so nice. And when I started in the online industry, my first business that I started was a dropshipping business. And I really love this model because I found a lot of success in it myself. And the only downfall is though that you might need a little bit of startup capital to maybe start the website, to keep the website being hosted, and maybe a little bit of investment into advertising. Another downside is with a dropshipping business, you aren't getting products in bulk. So your commissions and your sales won't have as much of a high revenue as that of a traditional e-commerce store. But still, it's definitely worth it if you are new to the industry and really want to start your own business online. So these are basically my top 8 ways that you can make money online. And the nice thing about all of these 8 ways is that you don't only have to do one. You can run multiple online businesses and create multiple streams of income for yourself, which this now leads to my bonus strategy, or my secret tip you could call it, that I've been using over the last couple of years. So what I've been doing is since 2016, okay? I've been running a software business, at the same time a dropshipping business, and at the same time doing affiliate marketing. But what I've found is over the last year and a half is that I've been dropshipping a software business on subscription products. And the best thing about this is literally I would go on the internet, find a business that designs software that sells monthly packages, and then I would resell that at a markup on my own website and basically just refer the customers to that business's support. So now literally all I'm doing is I'm making a sale on a subscription product and I'm getting a monthly income, a residual income from that same client, which is really nice. What I'm in the process for you guys is I have created a beautiful program or ultimate business startup package that includes unlimited storage, internet hosting, WordPress, Ecommerce websites that I create, that my business creates, with a beautiful accounting program that I've designed and accounts manager program as well, all in one package that you can order on my website that I'm soon going to launch. And at the same time, you guys can become affiliate marketers. So you can sell that product online and you will get commissions paid to your account. At the moment, yes, it's a very technical design that my business is busy with, but as soon as it launches, I will create a video and you guys can go and check it out. So I really hope this video has helped you guys and that you've got some ideas on the businesses that you can create online. And leave a like if you enjoyed this video, comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video.